Hi everyone, welcome back to Excel Geeks. Today I'm going to show you how to split one column into multiple columns in Excel. We'll use an example where we have a list of full names and we want to separate them into first names and last names. Let's get started. First, open your Excel file that contains the data you want to split. Here I have a list of full names in column A. Next, select the column that contains the full names. In this case, it's column A. Now go to the Data tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. Under the Data tab, click on Text to Columns. This will open the Convert Text to Columns wizard. In the wizard, select Delimited because our names are separated by spaces. Then click Next. On the next screen, choose the delimiter that separates your data. In our case, it's a space, so we'll check the comma and space box. You can see a preview of how your data will be split at the bottom. Click Next when you're ready. Finally, choose where you want the split data to be placed. We'll put it in columns B and C. You can click on the destination field and select the starting cell. Click Finish to apply the changes. And there you have it. Our full names have been successfully split into first names and last names in columns B and C. That's it for today's tutorial on splitting one column into multiple columns in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Excel Geeks for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.